Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorial, Day 2, Class 1. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Please make sure you are well warmed up and for that you can follow Day 1, Class 1 led by Robbie. The only thing you need for this class is a surface so you can hold on, clear area around you so you do not hurt yourself or others, and the ideal footwear for this class is either barefoot, in socks or in ballet shoes, however you feel most comfortable. So we're going to start with a hand on the bar and feet in first position, and we're just going to do very simple. One plie, arm in first, another plie going back to second, a full grand plie, 5, 6, 7, 8, now a free bend, whatever you want, relaxing all your muscles. We're going to bring it back to a releve, 5, 6, and tendu into second, 7, 8. Same pattern. 1, 2, this time the arm goes up into third, 3, 4, grand plie, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this time we're going to go towards your bar, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take another rise, 5, 6, close into fifth position, 7 and 8. Now, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to turn around to the other side. Grand plie, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do a forward bend, 2, 3, 4. We're going to rise up, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Bit of there. Grand plie, but this time we're going to reverse the arm, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to go forwards again, 2, 3, 4, and take a nice rise to the end. And close. So one thing you have to keep in mind is plie is not a jerky movement stopping in every single position. It's a very gooey and fluid movement, making sure you embrace every single part of the position. So whenever you're ready, hand on the bar, and we'll begin. 6, 7, Okay, we're going to have our hand on the bar, first position, and we'll start again. And 7, and 8, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and full plie, using all of the music, 7, 8, and forward bend, free bend, whatever you want. rise, and if you're feeling up to it, test your balance. 7. Reversing the arm. 7, 8. Now bend forward. Now take a rise. And finish. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. We'd love to see you guys engage with us, so please leave us a video or a comment showing us how you guys are keeping in shape at home. A very special thank you to my lovely pianist. Goodbye guys.